Hi guys, like we said in our last video, we're going to add this petrol into the tank.
This is go-karting and stuff.
Yeah. So, just going to put it straight into the tank. Either it'll probably go everywhere, but... I'm not going to put too much in there. I might as well put the whole lot. If it's the wrong mix ratio, I'm so stuffed. See, quite a big tank now. It's quite. You can get about 25 miles on one tank on this go-kart.
This is the go-kart. Chain, and then you got the engine, wheels, seat, accelerate, brake.
Okay, and now I'm going to show you how to start it, so in case you have the same go-kart as me and you want to know. So basically, you see this on and off, you want to flick it on. It's quite noisy, this one.
Now it's like a
So first of all,
lawnmower.
just to get the fuel running, you might want to slowly. It's going to be really noisy. Sometimes this flicks up, but I flicked it back then.
Start it up. The engine sometimes needs to warm up though, so it's yeah. Yes, and that was test run.
That was a test run and the start up. And so when you're not using it, come around, that's the kill switch. And this button here, you simply just flick up and it won't turn on.
That's it.
This has been a go-karts and stuff production. Please comment, rate and subscribe.
Signing out. Bye.